Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 3 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lake Village, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Shelby and Roselawn around 2:35 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm warning